DJI Air 3 altitude test. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Air 3 has been a fantastic drone to fly, and it's also really helped me with my therapy with my left hand. Today, we took an altitude test with the DJI Air 3, so without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, today we're out here, we're going to be doing an altitude test with the DJI Air 3. SD card detected, okay.
Home point updated.
Alright, the home point's been updated. We have 14 satellites. Let's see, we're at 4K 60. We're going to change that to 4K 30. Okay, we're at 4K 30. Let's go ahead and start the screen recording. Okay, screen recording is underway here. 18 satellites. Okay, we are ready to go here, so let's get it up in the air. It is a very bright sunny day here. We're going to start out at a little over 100 feet, 125 feet. I like to be at. Let's go ahead and start recording here. Let's just pitch the gimbal a little bit. There we go. All right, let's head out here. Coming up in a day or two, we have a tropical storm headed our way. Idalia, I think, is the name of it, and hopefully that will not have an impact to us, but we're going to find out in the next 24 hours. So, and again, stay tuned to Bill the Drone Reviewer for latest updates regarding hurricanes as well too. So okay, everything's looking real good here. Signal strengths are looking real good as well. Head out to this pond, and then we're going to turn around here. Boy, it sure is nice when the sun's behind the clouds, I'll tell you that. Really no problem seeing the DJI RC2 here. That's pretty clear as far as that's concerned. He's looking real good, 129 feet. 26 miles an hour. Yeah, our development is getting more done every day as we speak. It'll probably be towards November, December this year. We'll be at the point, I think, we can take over the HOA. Hopefully, maybe get less dues every quarterly. I'm hoping for that, but not really thinking that's going to happen here, so we'll see. Past the entrance here. See, all these homes a few months ago were being built, the ones that you see over here, and quite a few of them are done. Okay, we're almost coming up to 301 here. Again, great signal strength with this. It's just absolutely incredible. Okay, we are at 301. We're going to go ahead and stop. Go ahead and turn it around here. I'm going to bring it back towards the starting, what I'll call the starting point here, and then we're going to go up in altitude here. "26 miles an hour, things looking real good here. Going past the entrance to the development. And it's getting easier and easier each time with my left hand on the controller. I'm very thankful for physical therapy and a great job my physical therapist is doing. My doctor was very pleased with my results last visit on this past Friday. Okay. Okay, we are overhead right now. I'm going to adjust this a little bit. Now we're going to go up. We're going to go up to 400 feet here.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, we are there. We are at the maximum altitude, which is, I think, 309. It says 392. I'm not 100% sure, but anyway, I want to give you guys a different perspective here. See what things are like. Let's go take it down here. Again, I think the pitch of the gimbal is fine. Range is still looking pretty good. Again, we're up near 400 feet, so try to fly to about that same spot. Okay, we are just about there at that pond, so we're going to go ahead and turn. You see things from a completely different perspective up at this altitude here, and don't know how that happened. Still around 26 miles an hour. We're at 392 feet. Correcting course just a tad here. Heading over the entrance to the development. Whisper quiet. You could hardly hear it when it was overhead. 77% battery, 19 satellites. Signal strength is fantastic. We're coming up on 301 here. Actually looks like it's going slower, but it's actually traveling the same speed. The winds aloft are definitely different, so that's gonna be a real factor. You need to understand that when you get up to this altitude, that's one of the factors that you need to take into consideration here is the wind speed. And we're going to go ahead and do a return to home now.
Return to home.
See, I need to adjust my return to home altitude because it's not changed, so we're going to get that corrected here before the next flight. Let's go ahead. We're going to pitch the gimbal down here, so I want you to see what it looks like from this altitude. Okay, we are descending as we speak here.
Landing.
Looks like we hit the landing pad. All right. A successful altitude test with the DJI Air 3. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3 altitude test? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.